Hey everyone, it's AnimalxArtz here, and today I will show you the Budgie's cage. So moving on to the cage tour, here is an overview of the cage, and on the left are the measurements. Here in the center they have this ladder, a perch, and a colorful little toy. And down here they have their feeders, which are big. They can hold very much water and seeds. You don't have to change as often, and is big enough for both the birds to sit together and eat. On the other side they have their soft and comfortable rope perch. Next to it there's another toy and a piece of millet attached to the bars. Down here they have a mineral block, a green concrete perch, which is good for trimming their claws and beaks. And then they got two food dishes, one with vegetables and one with shells and grits. There's the bird bath, another concrete perch but orange, and a cuddle bone. Yep, and there are my cute budgies chilling. I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for subscribing. We're almost at 300 subscribers, which is awesome. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!